Time now for Better Food. Now, if you've been watching Better Connecticut for any length of time, like 2 days, you probably know that Kara and I, we just hate mayonnaise.
We really hate it.
We hate it.
Yeah. But James O'Shea from the West Street Grill has a unique recipe for mayo, but he calls it aquafaba mayonnaise, which isn't really like mayonnaise, so he really thinks we're gonna like it, and it's really less about us, but there's people who really can't eat mayonnaise, maybe they're vegan or their cholesterol's really high.
Correct.
So you would make this aquafaba mayonnaise, which isn't really like mayonnaise at all, and then it serves like, I mean, it's not
very,
made
very similar to mayonnaise. There are, of course, many vegan mayonnaise products on the market.
Yeah.
Just mayonnaise being amongst my favorite, and then this Follow Your Heart have a whole line, and there are other mayonnaise, Earth Balance, all these have great mayonnaises as well. They're vegan. So I'm going to attempt here to make this because it does take a little bit of time.
Okay.
This is 1 cup of aquafaba, which is just nothing more than a drained can of chickpeas.
So that's chickpea water in there?
Chickpea water, yeah.
So just take the stuff out of the can. Okay.
So far, so good. I like that.
2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
Or you could use, also you could use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon or so of salt, and a little bit of white pepper. This is ground pepper. This is white Montauk pepper. So you just grind that in there, and then you just take this
immersion
blender, and just whisk it very gently, and adding in. I'm adding in here grapeseed oil.
Grapeseed oil.
Yeah, grapeseed oil, very slowly. And it will eventually emulsify. It's very frightening in the beginning because you'll think it's not going to emulsify. It takes 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
So I'm just going to add it in.
And this is going to become the aquafaba.
Yes.
And is it because it's water and, well, it's not water, but like the faba, it's the chickpea water.
It's the chickpea water.
Faba beans.
It's from the faba beans, the garbanzo beans, and you're getting the proteins and the starches from the garbanzo beans to thicken it.
I think Hannibal would like it. It has faba beans.
I'm not very quiet. Hang on.
So here I'm just buzzing away.
So eventually it's becoming this consistency.
Yes, it's becoming.
And it looks white when it's done?
It's white when it's done, and like that. It's beginning to thicken now. You'll begin to think.
And then what do you do with it?
You can use it on anything that you use normal mayonnaise in. Potato salad, egg salad, any tuna salad, any type of salads that you usually make with mayonnaise.
All right.
I need to continue adding for another minute because it does take like a couple of minutes just to thicken.
Okay.
It takes about 2 minutes.
Now, is this the finished? There's the recipe right there on the screen.
This is it. Finished.
This is the finished product.
Yes.
Should we try it?
Yes,
Kara.
if you would like to, please.
Well, should we try the finished product now that it's already...
This is it.
Oh, okay.
Bowl right here.
Yeah.
So, now, if you're someone who really likes mayo and is missing it, this is a good alternative.
This is a great
For
alternative.
someone like
It's
us,
got a
then
very
we
light, creamy flavor. It's very light and creamy. You can really adjust the flavors by using...
You can't do it, I know.
Yeah.
See, for us, it's a consistency thing.
I can't do it.
So just
I just did it, it was fine.
Right.
I need to think about something else.
refer to it as
It's really good for people who want mayonnaise.
Yeah. It's definitely different, and it's also the base of many things. You can use aioli with it or anything else, or salad dressings or all these things. And
It's delicious.
James,
actually,
we love you.
it's going to be a really...
Not enough that it trumps our hate for mayo, okay?
It's you know what I think it is? I like it's just like the same thing with mayonnaise.
Yeah.
I like all the ingredients that go into mayonnaise.
But now when it becomes...
Not when it becomes mayonnaise.
We usually put vinegar or mustard on things, and if you're a mustard vinegar person, started out promising with the vinegar.
Yeah.
Why did it have to turn creamy?
That's the emulsion. When you emulsify, it turns creamy like that.
Now, the majority of people out there are going to love this product, seriously, and it's vegan.
Weird, and we love you, so that's all that matters. And I get that if you really do love mayo, and you're missing having it on your sandwiches because you have a cholesterol issue, this is a healthy version. Or if you're vegan and you can't have, you don't want the eggs, you can have mayonnaise and...
Is this on the rest? Is this on the menu?
Yeah, we use this.
Oh, it is.
We use this in the grill. We've been using it for a few years now. This was created by a French chef about 6-7 years ago when he used the protein, and it actually makes the most amazing meringues instead of egg whites.
Oh,
and they're using the aquafaba.
Disguised, I wouldn't notice.
You can use it.
The aquafaba is being used now in many pastries and desserts.
Like a spinach artichoke dip without the mayo. Could you use it?
You can do that. Yes, you could. Yeah.
Sometimes those recipes sneak the mayo in, but Could use that instead.
You could use that instead, and you can make it sour too with a little more lemon juice or more vinegar to make it creamy, or you could use it, thin it out more to make it more like a creamy dressing with vegan cheeses and stuff, vegan Parmesan,
Well, I think
our
it's
nutritional yeast.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you, James. It's terrific, and it tastes lovely.
I think
Thank you,
Tracy
thank you.
is very disappointed in us.
No, this is good. You did give it a try.
We did
that's,
try.
That's better than most people will do.
Okay.
You gave me the opportunity to allow you to try it and present it, and that was terrific.
It was good.
It was
Thank
really
you.
good.
All right.
Cara?
For an outstanding meal in a great environment, with or without the mayo, be sure to check out the West Street Grill, located at 43 West Street in Litchfield.
You can also check out the website. It's weststreetgrill.com.